Alright, so we're going to start off by hitting the on button here at the top. You don't want to use anything metal, so here I have a toothpick. To the right you see it has a 9-volt battery inside and then needs to be replaced when the voltage is less than 7.6. So if you're less than 7.6 you will not be able to continue with this test. First we want to put it into DC to check this. The probes are plus and minus that are right here.
Here, let me just get a shot of that. So your plus and your minus.
On our voltmeter, we're going to go to DC voltage. Red is positive, black is negative. Then our voltmeter shows 9.5, so we're definitely over the 7.6.
Let's put this right here.
Of course. Okay, so we can proceed with the test. Since we're in DC, we're going to start off with volts in DC. Leave it there. This device is going to be putting out 5 volts. So our volt leads are down here, as well as the current. We have the plus and the minus. So we're putting here. Voltmeter showing 4.99 which is within spec. Now showing 4.98. It's okay. Still within spec. Each model has its own specifications, so we'll link you guys with a page of that to make sure you guys are within spec. And now we're going to move our leads over to the amps. We want it in milliamps. Since this device here puts out 1 milliamp, we're going to switch over to amp section. The milliamps, make sure it's in DC, shown here. So DC amps, again, plus and minus. We are showing 0.99. Again, this device puts out 1 milliamp or 0.9 milliamps, so we are definitely within spec. Next, we want to turn this device off, switch it to AC, and while we're giving a few seconds to reboot, we're going to switch on over to, we'll leave it on amp since we're here, we'll switch it over to AC milliamps. For you guys that have the 15B, select buttons up here. Now we're in AC milliamps. We will now turn the device back on. Again, verifying that we're in AC. Check the currents, positive and minus. It is showing 1.10, still within spec. Now we switch on over, switch the leads over to volts. Volts AC, verify that you're in the AC. Plus and minus. We're reading 5.54. Now, very important. This is not an RMS digimeter. So since this is putting 5 volts out, it is putting out, in actuality, you should be reading around 5.55, which is a 1.11 ratio from RMS to non-RMS. So again, it's going to be reading 5.54. We're looking for 5.55. It's definitely within spec, so we're good. Lastly, we're going to switch this over and we're going to go to ohms. We're going to be reading the resistance. We have a 100K, 10K, 1K, and a 100.
Let's get a close up of that. There's your 100, 10K, 1K, and 100.
To make our lives easy, we can do them all in a series. When you're doing resistors in series, they all add up. So when you add all these up, we're looking at 100. So 111.1K, 111.1K. Positive and negative straight across. We are pulling out. We're going to let it stabilize. So our digimeter is reading 111.2, definitely within spec. So as you guys can see, this digimeter is within calibration standards. We'll update the sticker, and that's how you use this device.